Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you are all doing well. Today we are going to learn more about adjectives. But before going to the next exercise, I want to give you a recap of previous exercise. What are adjectives? Adjectives are describing words and they describe any noun or pronoun. Then we have studied about kinds of adjective. First one was adjective of quality. Next one color adjective. Number 3 was number adjective, and the last one was adjective of quantity. Today we are going to study about comparative adjectives. What are comparative adjectives? Comparative adjectives mean an adjective have two different forms to compare different objects and persons. First form is used First form, that is the usual form, it is used to describe any noun or pronoun. But if we want to compare the object with any other object, we use the comparative forms, two different comparative form of adjectives. If we want to compare two objects or two person, we use second form of adjective, and if we want to compare more than two things, then we use third form of adjective. Here is a table. The positive or usual form of adjective big is here in column 1, and in column 2 you have second form of adjective that is used when you want to compare two objects together. Then there is the third form in column number 3, that is biggest, and it is used to compare more than two things. Then there are some rules to make second and third form of adjective. In some adjectives, we just add er or est to make the second and third form as given in this table at page 59. First form is big, second is bigger, third is biggest. First is cold, second is colder, third is coldest. First is fast, second is faster, and third is fastest. First is used for simple description of any noun or pronoun. Second is used to compare two objects or two persons together, and third is used to compare more than two things. Second rule to make second and third form of adjective is that if your first form ends at y, you will omit y or cut y and add ier or iest to make second and third form. For example, busy, busier, busiest. Then there is an adjective lazy. Lazy ends at y, so we will cut y and add ier to make second form of adjective and iest to make third form of adjective. In some cases we have e at the end of adjective. For example, sure and brave have e at the end, so we just add r to make second form and st to make third form. For example, sure, surer, surest, brave, braver, bravest. In some cases, we add er or est by doubling the last consonant letter. This is the case when we have consonant as last letter and vowel as second last letter. Then we double the consonant letter before adding er or est. For example, hot, hotter, hottest, fat, fatter, fattest. Then there are some words, they are totally different for second and third form. For example, we do not add it means we do not add er or est to make second and third form, but we have totally different word for that. For example, good, second form is better and third form is best. Bad, worse, worst. Many, more, most. In these examples, you have totally new words for second form and third form. We have not added er or est to the base adjective, to the usual or positive adjective. Now in exercise C, you are required to complete the table. You are given some adjectives here. Some are in first form, some are in third form, and some are in second form. But you are required to write the first form of adjective in column 1, second form of adjective in column 2, and third form of adjective in column 3. And in next exercise, you are required to fill in the blanks by using the suitable or correct form of adjective. You are given the adjective at the end of the sentences. in bracket. You will check which form should go in these blanks. If you are talking about only one thing, you will use positive form. If there is comparison of two objects or two persons in the sentence, then you will use second form. And if you are comparing more than two things, you will use third form. There is a hint for third form. If you have the before the blank, then you will use third form of adjective, because it is a rule. We add the before the third form of adjective, that is the superlative form of adjective. Try to solve these exercises yourself, then check your answers from the given notes that I will share in the groups. But try to read the description yourself and try to solve these exercises yourself at first. I hope you will understand. Have a good day. Thank you.